Hello, Mia. Hey, it looks like you have some good sources here, but I wanted to point out a few things that are kind of important. First of all, like I said, these are 4 really good sources. They are all peer-reviewed. Understand that you don't need to include all 4 peer-reviewed articles. 2 of them need to be peer-reviewed, but the other 2 can be other, credible sources. I only mention that because peer-reviewed articles are much more difficult to read. And so if you want to use all 4, that's fantastic. But I just wanted to make sure that you understand that you didn't need to. Looking here, what you have here are not citations. These are simply links. That's very different than citations. If you come down here to the bottom, I've copied a full citation for this first article that you mentioned. And these citations will have the author's name. They'll have the title of the article, the publication, the journal where it was published, the volume, the number, the date, the page numbers, the database that was used, and then the URL. All right. And that URL is going to be to the article, not just to the abstract. Each of these that you have here are just the links to the abstract, which is just simply the kind of like an introduction, or not even an introduction. It's like a summary that the editor writes about the article. So if let me get back over here. Sorry about that. Get rid of that one. And I'm going to just kind of show you where you can find that citation and the article. I'm going to make sure, so here's the abstract. This is just a little summary. It is not the entire article. Make sure that you go over here and you open up the full article, or I just downloaded it. Okay, there it is. So that's going to open up the full article for you. All right, do not just go by the abstract. Do not ever quote an abstract, because often the authors didn't even write that. That's just the editor writing a little preview. And if you go over here also, click on this, and these databases, if you use the library, they will give you the full citation. So all you'd have to do is copy that right here and paste it into your Works Cited. Granted, make sure that up here, there's all of these different formatting styles. Make sure that you're using MLA 8th or 9th, and then copy that and you're good to go. That's the citation, okay? So I just wanted to make sure that you understood that.